Tired of waiting for new PUBG Mobile updates to drop? Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Pubg Mobile Beta easily using Taptap, so you can experience all the freshest features before everyone else. First, make sure you have the Taptap app installed on your device. If not, head over to your browser. In your browser, search for Taptap download. Look for the official Taptap website and download the app. This will bring you the latest and official version of the Taptap app. Once downloaded and installed, open the Taptap app. It should be a familiar looking app. In the search bar, type Pubg Mobile and hit search. You should see various versions of Pubg Mobile. Look for the one that says beta or has some sort of indication that it's the test version. Click on the Pubg Mobile Beta page and find the download button. Tap the download button and just wait for the process to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so sit tight. Once the download is finished and the app is installed, simply open Pubg Mobile Beta and start playing. You're now one of the first to try out the newest content. And that's it. You're now enjoying the features of the Pubg Mobile Beta. Remember to enjoy the game and subscribe for more mobile gaming tips.